popcorn. Today we're going to talk about cotton candy flavoring. So after a while, you get used to making the cotton candy flavors. If you want to start off being an amateur like myself, going to middle to advanced, one of the things that I'm going to talk to you today about is the different kinds. And here in this box here is a really good brand. It's called Great Western. There's also Flossine by Gold Medal. So in this container here, I could probably get about 30 containers, and the containers that I use are these deli containers, and I sell these for about $5, and I can get exactly about 30 or so containers, and with that, this works out at $5. The cost is about 32 cents for the container, 50 cents total for the cost, and so this will cost you about 51 cents for the whole container. And also, besides factoring the time as far as when to make it. Now, there's the other option, the concentrate mixes. Now, I've had some pretty good success with the concentrate mixes, except for the blue raspberry. So, last week I bought the blue raspberry, and it tasted so horrible that I got some returns. So, with that, I bought some of these ones, and I've had much better success with the Great Western. And I complained to my Gold Medal dealer as far as why the blue raspberry tasted so horrible. So, if you have any comments as to why they mess up with the blue raspberry, but for the most part, these flavors are pretty consistent. Now, with the concentrate mix, what I pretty much do is I fill up some regular sugar like this, and then pretty much put it in, just put a little bit in, and I pretty much take another container, and I go like this back and forth, so then that way I can get more for your bang. And so, as far as this container here, Gold Medal charges $12. This container here, the restaurant store charges about $6. So I would say, I haven't calculated how much more I can get out of this, but I'll probably say at least probably 8 to 10 more containers of these in these little containers. There we go. It's like you want to hold it like a little bit. It's like you hold it like a little baby, you know? Don't drop it. And we'll do one more bundle on the top. This is a full container. Then we'll put the lid on. And voila. Alright, you can stop now. Now it's going to be more red. Alright? This stuff that's already pre-mixed, and I'll talk over it. Got done making some fresh cotton candy for the cherry. We put them in these containers here. This is what the premix looks like. They did a pretty good job. So now we're going to go with the concentrate mix and do that. I made 25. I do about 25 containers each, and at the farmers markets I go through about 15 to 20 containers a day. And I like to have different flavors because people like to switch them up and stuff. But the two top best ones will always be the blue raspberry and red cherry. The red and pink for red and blue for whatever reason. Red for girls, blue for boys is whatever it is. I personally like them both. So here is the concentrate mix. So what I do to actually mix the concentrate mix, if you ever want to get adventurous, they have a lot more interesting flavors. Like this one here is called Leap and Lime Flossine. So I'll be curious to see what they use for the flavoring. And then we just put a little bit in here. And then basically what I do is I pour the sugar in. And then basically what I do is I fill it up a little bit like this. And then I take my other container and then basically go back and forth until it's completely mixed in. And then as you see there, the sugar kind of mixes it in together. And then that way you get a really nice mixture. And then with this way, you can actually add a little bit more sugar, even more, and it goes really far. So how much you want to have the flavors lighter versus darker. These to me are the perfect color for it. So we're going to try to match it up as best as we can. And then here we go. After a few mixes, we already have the new mix. So now we're going to turn it on and get going for the new machine and transfer over the color for Leap and Lime. We're going to go from cherry to, actually, we'll do cherry to blueberry, and then after this blueberry, blue raspberry, we'll do the Leap and Lime.